If you don't like traditional publishing but still want to make money writing, then Amazon KDP is your golden ticket. Amazon KDP, or Kindle Direct Publishing, lets you self-publish your books and reach millions of readers. First, write your book. Keep it simple and from the heart. Next, format it. Amazon offers free tools to make this a breeze. Then, create a catchy cover, think eye-popping and professional. Upload your manuscript on KDP. Fill in the details like title, author name, and keywords. Choose your pricing. Remember, higher prices don't always mean more profit. Promote your book using social media, blogs, and email lists. The more you promote, the more you sell. With Amazon KDP, you earn up to 70% royalties. That's money straight to your pocket, friend. So why wait? Get started today and watch your dreams take flight. Happy publishing!